So as we have seen what role of MHC in the graft rejection, MHC is mainly responsible for the rejection of graft. There are two type of MHC as we have seen, MHC1 and MHC2. So MHC1 plays a role in the endogenous pathway of the antigen processing. MHC2 plays role in the exogenous pathway of the antigen processing. So there are certain exceptions where MHC cannot function properly. So these are some of the immunoevasion examples. So in case of the mycobacteria, so it inhibits the phagolysosome fusion so that it survives within the phagosome. In case when antigen is taken for the degradation in the phagolysosome, so it somehow managed to survive in the phagolysosome. So this is the coping mechanism of the mycobacteria. In case of the herpes simplex virus, it interferes with the TAP, transport associated proteins, then it inhibits the antigen presentation. As we know, inside the cell, when some antigen is there and it is broken down, and it is, suppose this is nucleus, and it is taken inside the ribosome with the help of the TAP, and it combines with the MHC class molecule, and it is expressed on the cell surface. So what happens here, the TAP, which is responsible for the transport of these antigens to the endoplasmic reticulum, inhibited by the herpes simplex virus. So it inhibits the antigen presentation. Another example of the immunoevasion is cytomegalovirus. So what does cytomegalovirus does? It inhibits the proteasome activity. So as we know, when some antigen is encountered inside the cell and it is degraded in the proteasome complex, and after that it is taken outside the cell surface for the display. So cytomegalovirus inhibits the proteasome activity and removal of the MHC1 from the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Another example is Epstein-Barr virus. It inhibits the proteasome activity and produces IL-10 to inhibit the macrophage activation. Okay. So when macrophage activation is inhibited, it cannot function properly. And what does pox virus do? Pox virus produces soluble cytokines receptor to inhibit the activation of the effector cells. So these are some of the coping mechanism for the different antigens, and this is called immunoevasion, and these are the some of the examples.